evening, audience. So, pick another judge, please. This one. Okay. Judge number 1.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Here's my question. How do you think you can be a role model for young LGBTQIA+ individuals?
Thank you for that beautiful question. When I was a child, I know that I am a gay. A lot of person who discriminate me. A lot of person who discriminate me because of my gender preference. For me, maisasabi ko po sa LGBT na bata na katulad ko ay yung wag mong hayaang diktahan ka ng ibang tao dahil sa pinili mong kasarian. Dahil lagi natin tatandaan na pagiging parte ng LGBT ay hindi po namin pinili. Bagkus ito po ay nararamdaman namin. Dahil dito sa ating mundong ginagalawan, ang sasabihin ko po sa isang batang LGBT, ayon ay mahalin mo ang sarili mo at huwag na huwag mong kalimutang rumispeto sa ibang tao. Dahil lagi natin tatandaan, the respect is a wonderful feeling or action shows towards to everyone, because always remember that respect begets respect. Even you are transgender or not a member of the LGBTQ community, you must and you need respect yourself. Thank you and good evening.
All right, very well. Thank you so much, all.